Now, the topic is hydroelectricity or water power. What is hydropower? Hydropower or hydroelectricity refers to the conversion of energy from flowing water into electricity. We know all that water is the most important and indispensable of natural resources. It has various industrial uses: production of steam, refrigeration, in mixing with chemicals, in agriculture industry. Water is responsible for the development of inland and ocean transportation. The most important of all the uses is the generation of electric power from running water. Water power is a major source of mechanical energy which has opened up a new horizon for industrial development. वाटर पावर इज़ इनएग्जॉस्टेबल, ये कोई ख़त्म नहीं होता. इट कैन बी यूज्ड अगेन एंड अगेन. रन ऑफ वाटर मेक्स वाटर पावर पॉसिबल. इट इज़ चीपर ऑल्सो, सस्ता में भी हमें मिल जाते हैं, अवेलेबिलिटी है. सो देर आर सम कंडीशंस फॉर डेवलपिंग वाटर पावर. अगर हम कहीं पे वाटर पावर व हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पावर प्रोजेक्ट लगाना चाहते हैं तो उसके पीछे कुछ कंडीशंस हैं जो फुलफिल करना जरूरी है. द फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज फिजिकल कंडीशंस एंड द सेकेंड वन इज इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस. इन फिजिकल कंडीशंस देयर आर फ्यू कंडीशंस like a great altitude. The higher the elevation, the greater will be the power potential of water. The second one is quantity of water. There should be fairly uniform discharge of water throughout the year. So in the source area there should be heavy rainfall. खूब ज़्यादा बारिश हो तो throughout the year we get the water. थर्ड इज स्टिफनेस ऑफ ग्रेडियंट इज आइडियल. एक स्टिफनेस भी होना चाहिए. फोर्थ वन इज टेम्परेचर अफेक्ट्स सप्लाई ऑफ वाटर पावर. द टेम्परेचर ऐसा होना चाहिए जाते पानी बर्फ ना बन जाए. द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ रैपिड्स एंड फॉल्स फेवर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ पावर. The water power development has been influenced by glaciation. The glaciated areas are left with lakes which serve as storage basins for the water and keep the silt content low, for they act as settling basins for water flowing through them. जहाँ से पानी नीचे की तरफ आ रहा है, अगर उसके पीछे की तरफ एक स्टोरेज बेसिन रहे तो जो भी सिल्टेशन वो वहीं हो जाता है, तो हमें एक क्लीन वाटर, क्लियर वाटर मिलता है जो वाटर पावर प्रोडक्शन में काम आता है. द एब्सेंस ऑफ कोल, पेट्रोलियम एक्सेट्रा एक्सपेंडाइट्स द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ वाटर पावर. जिस जिस कंट्रीज़ में अगर कोल की कमी है या पेट्रोलियम की कमी है तो वहाँ पे वाटर पावर पे ही डिपेंड होना पड़ता है. तो these are the physical conditions. Next one is economic conditions. In economic conditions, the first very important condition is market. एक market होना जरूरी है. The river with these ideal conditions lying near an area of dense population helps the development of water power. जहाँ पे population बहुत ज़्यादा dense है, जनसंख्या ज़्यादा है, वहीं पे market बन जाता है. The consuming areas should not be far away from the producing areas, as the power cannot be transmitted economically beyond 300 miles from the generating station. The size and nature of market are of prime importance. कितनी साइज है मार्केट की और मार्केट की नेचर क्या है. वहाँ पे अगर छोटे मोटे फैक्ट्रीज, इंडस्ट्रीज रहे तो कंजम्पशन ज़्यादा होगा. तो मार्केट इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर और कंडीशंस, इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस बिहाइंड द generation of electric power, hydroelectric power. Second one is capital. The hydel plant requires an enormous outlay in dam construction, in power plants, etc. So capital should be there, huge capital. Third is technical knowledge and skill. The generation of hydel power requires a high degree of technical knowledge and skill. And the fourth one is transport. The facilities for carrying materials to the power site at a reasonable cost should be present in order to develop hydropower. तो ट्रांसपोर्ट फैसिलिटी भी होना चाहिए. नाउ आई विल कम टू द पॉइंट ऑफ distribution of water power. The distribution of water power in the world is uneven. The development of water power has been great in the countries which are industrially advanced. A vast proportion of resources is in tropical regions. More than 60% of the potential power of the world is in the tropics. We know that in tropical areas there is more potential of hydropower. Africa alone has more than 41.4% of the world's total water power potential. Shambhavana hai. Next to Africa, the continents in order of importance are Asia, North America, Europe, South America. In USA, the Niagara Falls provide energy. St. Anthony Falls is important site, the Appalachian region, etc. The Hoover Dam project on the Colorado River ranks as one of the largest irrigation and power projects in the world. Minneapolis, Tennessee Valley, Columbia River Valley, New England area, Southern Rocky area, these are the important sites in USA for hydroelectric power. In Russia, the belt of mountain ridges that stretch along the southern border of the Russia or the other countries, previously we knew that is USSR. Within Central Asia, Kazakhstan, Siberia and the Far East is rich in water power resources. The hydel power plant are Dniprogas, Simlyanskaya or the Lenin-Volga-Don Canal, the Gyumuz station in Armenia, Bekhorna, Mingechau, Kama stations. About 15% water power potential is here. In Russia, Volga River, Gorky, Volga-Grad project, Leningrad area. These are the important sites. China's hydropower potential is among the largest in the world. About 70% of potential resources is located in southwestern China. The government's basic strategy for the power sector is to develop the country's immense hydro resources and coal-based thermal stations. The project is on the Huangni River of China near the common border area of Yunnan province, Guizhou province and the Guangxi region. Japan has potential water power. Most of the large power sites are located on the eastern and southern slopes of the mountain of central Honshu. About 60% of the power produced is consumed by the industry. The factors that have led to high development of water power include abundant precipitation, खूब ज़्यादा बारिश होता है, mountainous topography and the zeal and energy of Japanese people and the need for industrial power. जापान में बहुत ज़्यादा industrial development है. It is an advanced country. यहाँ पे जो फैक्टर्स हैं, कंडीशंस हैं, वो हाइड्रो पावर प्रोजेक्ट बनाने के लिए लाइक एबंडेंट प्रेसिपिटेशन और माउंटेनस टोपोग्राफी, और ये छोड़ के जो जापानीज पीपल हैं उनमें जो एनर्जी बजील है और जो इंडस्ट्रियल पावर के लिए भी ज़रूरत पड़ता है. नाउ आई विल कम टू the hydel power projects in India. India has immense possibilities to develop water power. The great difficulty lies in the fact that rainfall is seasonal and therefore storage is कॉस्टली. यहाँ पे जो मेनली रेनफॉल होता है वो मानसून सीजन में है, तो स्टोर करना पड़ता है पानी को, जो बहुत ज़्यादा कॉस्टली पड़ जाता है. इन वेस्टर्न इंडिया water power development is magnificent. The Lonavala, Nilamula and the Andhra Valley are the important stations on the western Ghats of Maharashtra. In southern India, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala stand out prominent. The upper Ganges area in UP, the important projects like Bhakranangal, Damodar Valley, Mahanadi Valley, etc. Power potential river basins are like west flowing rivers of western Ghats. Western Ghats से जो west flowing rivers to Arabian Sea, east flowing rivers of South India, those rivers which are flowing to Bay of Bengal, central Indian rivers, Ganga Basin, Brahmaputra Basin and Indus Valley. So these are the river basins, power potential river basins in India. Importance of hydroelectricity. This is inexhaustible resource, transparency of water, less transportation cost, श्रम में भी बचत होता है, decentralization of industry, less cost, easier in use in household, other resources can be conserved, production cost is less. If we talk about state-wise important hydropower stations in India, then I will say Kashmir एक स्टेट की कहाँ कहाँ पे पावर स्टेशन है. लाइक इन कश्मीर देयर इज बुनीगार पावर स्टेशन इन बुनीगार हाइड्रो पावर स्टेशन. इन हिमाचल प्रदेश जोगिंदर नगर इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. उत्तर प्रदेश बहादुराबाद, चित्तौड़ा, भोला, शारदा, सुमेरा. इन महाराष्ट्र खोपोली, भीमपुरी. तमिलनाडु मेट्टूर, पाइकारा. केरला पल्लीभसल. आंध्र प्रदेश मचकुंड, नागार्जुन सागर. मध्य प्रदेश गांधी सागर. ओडिशा हीराकुंद. बिहार माइथन, पंचित एंड तिलाइया. In West Bengal, Jaldhaka, Masanjor. In Karnataka, Shivasamudram, Shimsa, Jog and Tungabhadra. These are the important hydropower stations in India. If we talk about water power and industry and the water power and economic development, then power is an essential basic requirement for the development of industries. It is of great value to agriculture. We know that wherever water has to be drawn from wells for irrigation purposes in agriculture, water has to be drawn from wells for irrigation purposes. Water power is developed to provide light for domestic purposes. It supplies a large percentage of current to industry. Industries requiring large supply of cheap power, as for example aluminium industry, tend to concentrate around power sites. Energy is a basic requirement for the economic growth and industrialization of a country. Commercial energy sources are coal, petroleum and electricity. A large percentage of the total energy consumption in developed countries is in the form of electric power. Modern industrial and agroeconomic development is dependent on the growth of electric power utilities. Electric power is produced from three principal plants: hydro plant, thermal plant and nuclear plant. Electricity is the most convenient and versatile form of energy. हम जब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूज़ करते हैं जो हमें हाइड्रो पावर से मिलता है, बा थर्मल पावर से मिलता है, बा न्यूक्लियर पावर से मिलता है, इट इज़ वेरी ईजियर टू यूज़ इन इंडस्ट्री और इन एग्रीकल्चर और इन हाउस होल्ड. So electricity therefore has been growing at a demand for it has been growing at a faster rate. Electricity plays crucial role in both industrial and agricultural sector. It has accelerated the process of mechanization in manufacture, transport and agriculture. It has unlimited degree of divisibility and flexibility. The amount of energy can be adjusted mechanically according to necessity. Electricity cannot be stored economically in large quantities. It must be consumed. If we talk about the potential of hydroelectricity, in 2009 there are some data, potential of hydroelectricity. Africa 42.0%, Asia 23.0%, North America 13.5%, Europe 10.5%, South America 8.0%, and Australia 3.0%. Hydroelectricity production in percentage in 2007, China produced 13.3%, Canada 12.1%, Brazil 11.3%, USA 9.7%, Russia 5.8%, and India 3.3%. So these are the data of 2007. If you get very decent data, so you please collect it. Thank you.